California's Uniform Commercial Code filing requirements play a crucial role in securing business transactions and protecting creditor interests. Understanding these requirements is essential for businesses, lenders, and entrepreneurs operating in the state. The California Commercial Code is based on the Federal Uniform Commercial Code, establishing business guidelines for those engaged in commerce within the state. This code covers various commercial transactions, including leases, bank deposits, sales, negotiable instruments, fund transfers, letters of credit, warehouse receipts, secured transactions, and investment securities. The UCC was originally published in 1952 to address two major business problems: the complex and diverse legal requirements across different states, and the difficulties these differences created for interstate commerce. California's Commercial Code largely mirrors the federal UCC, with some state-specific variations. The UCC is organized into 9 articles, each covering a specific area of commercial law. It allows entities to draft their own contracts, with UCC provisions filling gaps when necessary. The code is designed to minimize legal formalities, streamline routine transactions, and accommodate industry customs. One important aspect to note is that the UCC does not govern real estate transactions or service contracts. Real estate purchases in California are governed by the Civil Code, while service contracts fall under state insurance laws and general principles of contract law. When a lender secures an interest in a borrower's personal property as collateral, the transaction is formalized with a UCC-1 financing statement. To comply with California filing requirements, several elements are essential. The UCC-1 form must include the full legal name and address of the debtor, the name and address of the secured party, and a detailed description of the collateral involved. UCC filings in California are made with the Secretary of State, either online via the SOS Biz portal or by mail to one of the filing offices. The base fee for a UCC-1 is $10 for standard processing, with additional charges for expedited service or certified copies. A UCC-1 filing remains effective for 5 years. To maintain perfection of the security interest, a UCC-3 continuation statement must be filed within 6 months before expiration. Amendments and terminations are handled using a UCC-3 amendment form, which can change parties, correct errors, or terminate the filing. When should you file a UCC-1 statement? This document should be filed whenever a creditor wants to establish a public record of their security interest in a debtor's personal property. Common examples include loans secured by equipment or inventory, business loans secured by accounts receivable, vehicle loans for business purposes, and consignment agreements. This filing protects the creditor by giving them priority in case of debtor default or bankruptcy. Without proper filing, a creditor may be considered unsecured and placed behind others in the claims hierarchy. Accuracy is critical when completing UCC forms. The debtor's name must exactly match government-issued identification for individuals or the registered business name for entities. The collateral description must be specific enough to identify the property but can be broadly defined, such as all inventory and equipment, now owned or after acquired. UCC filings require active management throughout the loan lifecycle. Creditors must file continuations within 6 months before the 5-year expiration to avoid lapse. Amendments are necessary when adding or removing collateral or updating party information. Once a loan is paid off, a termination should be filed to officially end the filing. The California Secretary of State's Business Programs Division manages the centralized UCC filing system. This database offers electronic filing and searching tools for public access, allows for bulk data requests, and maintains certain confidentiality provisions. Filers can monitor and manage their UCC activity through the official portal. Understanding California's UCC filing requirements is essential for protecting security interests in business transactions. Proper filing, maintenance, and termination of UCC documents ensures legal protection and priority status for creditors under California's Commercial Code. Whether you're a lender, business owner, or entrepreneur, navigating these requirements correctly is a fundamental aspect of secured transactions in California.